number 3. Modifying a record from a CSV file using a temporary file. So step 1, import all the necessary modules. Here you need to import the OS module because we will make use of remove and rename functions. You can write the function header. Parameter iname contains the name of the stock whose details you want to modify. Example taken B. This is the CSV file and it contains 3 records. So as per this example, we want to modify the second record because for the second record the item name is B. This file must be opened for reading purpose. A temporary file must be opened for writing purpose in W mode. So this is the temporary file. To read data, create the CSV reader object. To write data, create the CSV writer object. Now, CRO contains all the rows, all the lists of this CSV file. From CRO, retrieve list one by one. If the item name present in I, how do you get the item name present in I of 1 equal to I name. In the second case, I of 1 equal to I name. So this is the record to be modified. Now the new item name should appear here. So new item name should be entered from the keyboard and that should be assigned to I of 1. Otherwise, for example, list 1, row 1, this is not the list to be modified. So pass empty statement, nothing to do with this list. And the list should be written to a temporary CSV file. Once the use is over, you can close the file. If multiple statements are written on the same line, they should be separated using semicolon. So this part let me explain using an example. Now I points to the first list. What is I of 1? This time it is A. What does I name contain? Example taken B. So A equal to B, wrong, meaning this is not the row, this is not the list to be modified. So control will come to else part, pass empty statement. This list need not be modified and that list is written to the temporary CSV file. So that comes here. Again, for I in CRO, now I will point to the second list. This time what is I of 1? B. What does I name contain? B. So B equal to B, correct. So what should happen? The new item name should be entered from the keyboard and that should be assigned it to I of 1. Suppose the new name entered from the keyboard is D, then your I of 1 will contain D. So this will contain D. And then that new list should be written to the temporary CSV file. So it will come here. Finally, I will point to the last row, the last list. So this time what is I of 1? C. What does I name contain? Example B. So C equal to B, wrong. Control will come to else part, pass empty statement. So no need to modify this list. That list is written to the temporary CSV file. Now, this file should be removed from the hard disk. So os.remove stock.csv. So this is removed from the hard disk. Now this file should be renamed as stock.csv. So you can write os.rename. The existing name should be written first, followed by the new name. So this becomes stock.csv and in the new stock.csv, the modified record comes. So this is how you modify a record from a CSV file using a temporary file.